What's up, guys? Haven't posted anything in a while. Been actually a little busy with work, and it's a little worn out with the car and all the tuning issues. Just waiting for HP tuners to do some updates for the RedEyes. There's not a lot of things out there to adjust some of the factory limiters right now, but my next mod, booster pump and 1700cc IUD injectors. So I found this little thing so you don't have to drill your supercharger manifold. So basically your manifold sensor hooks up to this. You install this in your manifold sensor and it gives you a little like a boost hose right here, so you can hook up your boost hose for the booster pump so it can read the boost. So this is going to be what I'm going to be installing this weekend along with the booster pump. I'm going to do a separate video on the booster pump, but this is the I think it's American Racing something, but yeah, so you don't have to drill into your manifold anymore. This thing's pretty pricey though. It's like $115, like really, but yeah. Anyway, all right, stay tuned.